Well, viewers, there has been some explosive claims that have been made by the Karnataka Assembly. An allegation that has been made that there was apparently an attempt to honey trap ministers. A complaint that has now been sent to Siddaramaia's office and a probe that has also been offered as far as when it comes to the statement that has now come in from a Karnataka minister, K.N. Rajanna himself, making the explosive claim in the Assembly about several politicians, including central leaders, being victims of a honey trap, saying that this has triggered a political storm with a demand that is now also kept for a high-level investigation.
From past 6 months, I think it's happening. From past 2.5 months, I think it is happening with my father also, as a cooperative minister. So today, I think he has spoken in session assembly, and he has seeked investigation to Home Minister. Let's see what things do.
So is it only with you? Do you also come to know other ministers also the honey trap has happened?
No, I don't know. On other people, I don't know what has happened. On me and my father, I think it's happening.
How did, sir, who's the gang? Do you know who are behind it? How did she approach it?
We don't know that. So we have asked to investigate to Home Minister.
Now, the claim made by Karnataka Cooperative Minister K.N. Rajanna admitting in the Assembly that at least 48 leaders, including central leadership, has been caught in cases of honey traps, and this has triggered intense discussions in the Assembly, where Rajanna has also asserted that this issue is not just confined to one single political party. Now, the issue that has gone up to the Chief Minister's office and a high-level probe that has been ordered by the State Home Minister G. Parameshwara, who vows to get the truth behind these allegations as well. As far as the complaints that have now been raised by R.N. Rajanna and Satish Jarkiholi have said that on this matter, what are their point of view? Let's listen in.
ಈ ದಿವಸ ವಿಧಾನಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಯತ್ನಾಳ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾಪವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾಪಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸಚಿವರು ರಾಜಣ್ಣ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾಪಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಅವರ ಹೇಳಿದಂತ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ವಾಸ್ತವಾಂಶ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟೀಕರಣವನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟೀಕರಣ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನೇನಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಮನುಷ್ಯರ ತೇಜೋವಧೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಏನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಡೆದಿದೆ, ರಮೇಶ್ ಜಾರಕಿಹೊಳಿ ಅವರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹಾಸನದ ರೇವಣ್ಣನಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣನಿರ್ಬೋದು.
ये पहली बार नहीं है कर्नाटक में, 20 साल से हो रहा है. हर पार्टी का इसका विक्टिम है. बीजेपी, जेडीएस, कांग्रेस, ऑफिशियल्स, सीनियर पॉलिटिशियन, सब लोग इसके विक्टिम है. इसके लिए हमने मांग किया, इसका एक कंप्लीट होना चाहिए, उसके आधार पे जांच होना चाहिए.
Now, G. Parameshwara saying that the respect of the legislator should be honored and a probe will be investigation that was being ordered to bring out the truth. The Karnataka Home Minister, however, stating that he was unaware of the allegations and would seek information from the concerned department. Listen in.
ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸದನದ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸದನದ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸದಸ್ಯರ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇತಿಶ್ರೀ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅವರವರ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಮಾನ್ಯ ರಾಜಣ್ಣನವರು ಏನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಉನ್ನತ ಮಟ್ಟದ ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನು ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಭಾಪತಿಗಳೇ, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ.
Now, while many are supporting the probe ordered by G. Parameshwara, there are some within the BJP who feel that something deeper may be at play. With the BJP IT cell in charge, Amit Malviya claiming in a post on X that the needle of suspicion points someone within the Congress party and that their ambition could bring down the Congress government in the state of Karnataka. With the state BJP president B.Y. Vijayendra also calling this as an unprecedented issue in Karnataka politics. Listen in.
Jarkiholi, one of the senior most leader, he is one of the prominent minister. उन्हें स्टेटमेंट दिया है तो सच रहता है. कौन है, कौन कर रहा है हनी ट्रैपिंग का किंग पिन, कौन है, इन्वेस्टमेंट कौन कर रहा है, उसका जांच होना चाहिए। आरोप किया हुआ आम आदमी नहीं है, पत्रकार आरोप किया नहीं, आम आदमी आरोप किया नहीं, आरोप किया है वरिष्ठ नेता है, कांग्रेस सरकार का मिनिस्टर है।
Cooperative Minister and a senior most Minister Rajanna, who is also an MLA from Tumkur district, has alleged and also more than 40 leaders has been honey trapped by someone else. He has not mentioned the name of the person who tried to honey trap. But it's a very serious issue. Never in the history of Karnataka, it was never discussed on the floor of the House. More importantly, one more senior minister, Satish Jarkoi, has also confirmed the honey trap case that is going on in Karnataka.
Well, this is indeed a serious issue. In fact, who can even think of honey trapping a minister to a level with other senior netas? This is something, as there have been several speculations, and there the senior Congress party leader seems to be suggesting that it is not confined or restricted to one political party. It is all across party lines, where there are many netas who are said to be trapped or are in a view as far as when it comes to these honey traps are now concerned, as they might be when it comes to several cases, according to the minister there, according to the neta there, that there would be many such examples that could be given. In fact, when it comes to the needle of suspicion, where exactly does it point to? The BJP here has been also raising a concern. Let's take a look at what Amit Malviya has to say. Allegations of an attempt to honey trap senior Karnataka ministers have emerged, and the needle of suspicion points to someone within Congress whose naked ambition to rise through the legislative hierarchy now threatens to bring down the Congress government in Karnataka. We've heard of P. Chidambaram bugging Pranab Mukherjee's office, but this is a different league altogether. So as far as saying that possibly it could be within the ranks of the Congress party itself who could be behind when it comes to the alleged cases of honey traps, saying that this is nothing but divisive politics within the Karnataka Congress camp that may have an ambition to bring down the government there of the Congress in the state of Karnataka. Let's get in a word from Neha, who is joining us live right now. Neha, good morning to you. There are several of these allegations that have now been leveled. BJP on its part also raising a concern, but the minister comes out to say that it is not restricted to one particular political party. Such examples of honey traps can be given across as many netas who could be when it comes to victims of honey trapping. In fact, when we come to think of it, Neha, who can possibly think of honey trapping a minister in the first place?
Well, of course, a very big charge coming in here from the Karnataka Corporation Minister there, K. Rajanna, and even Satish Jarkoi now, in fact, who are going on to suggest that several ministers, several MLAs are being honey trapped. Like you rightly, of course, questioned who would really even have the guts to honey trap a politician, let alone a minister, is, of course, a question that needs to be answered here. But this is not something new. We've seen it in the past as well in Karnataka, where you've had ministers, in fact, being honey trapped in the past, or at least allegations of that had surfaced earlier as well. But this time around, given that, of course, there have been several speculations and there have been several, in fact, instances of infighting both within the BJP as well as within the Congress, we'll really have to wait and see. The Karnataka Home Minister there saying that a high-level probe, of course, would be ordered into this. Is there a more organized racket that's going on here? Or are all of these, in fact, just claims and allegations for the moment, something that we'll find out in due course of time?
Well, at least 48 leaders as far as the claim that is now concerned. BJP also raising a concern, saying that when it comes to an unprecedented issue in Karnataka politics that has been witnessed there probably for the first time there. For the moment, thank you very much, Neha, for joining in. We also take a look at some of the earlier issues and cases of honey traps that have made national headlines in the past, to give you a fair idea of how these cases usually turn out. The first one that happened, let's take a look at possibly a couple of years ago, back in 2003, where there was a case that was filed as Archana Nag case. three different cases that were registered against Archana Nag. And hereafter, when it comes to, along with her associates, exploited and extorted crores of rupees from various affluent individuals, and she allegedly blackmailed them with intimate videos that she captured of their meetings after the first honey trapping incident that was reported. There is another case that was reported back in the year 2022, which comes to an army Jawan who was arrested in Rajasthan. If you remember this case, on the charges of espionage. He was in a way honey trapped by two women and shared certain classified information about his regiment as well as the army exercise videos. Now there has been other cases as well that have been reported. Let's take a look at what happened in 2019, where an NRI was found dead and was apparently honey trapped. Now this was a deadly turn as a Florida-based businessman named C. Jayaram was found dead, and rather what has now been said that he was honey trapped and he was killed as he could not repay the 4 crore rupee amount loan. The realtor posed as woman on WhatsApp and lured him to a house where he proceeded to carry out the murder. Finally, let's take a look at another case there which was in the news, and that is the case of Madhuri Gupta case. This is of the year 2004. This is another case that we are also talking about as far as when it comes to Madhuri Gupta, who was a second secretary at the Indian High Commission in Islamabad. This is the case that we are talking about, and was recruited by the ISI to gather information. And during her interrogation, that what has been found so far, let's put that out for our viewers to see. When it comes to saying that she was honey trapped and was seduced, man used relationship to extract information from her, and she was finally caught and she was arrested in the year 2010. So several, when it comes to such kind of incidents in the past that have also been reported. However, this does raise a serious concerns if certain netas are involved in this when it comes to alleged cases of honey traps that have been reported.